All right, example 3. So determine the amount of an investment if $300 is invested at an interest rate of 3.5% compounded monthly for 22 years. So starting amount, interest rate, compounded monthly, 22 years. So P is 300, R is 0.035, or this one right here. Sorry, or this one right here. Let's see, what do we need? What else we need? N is compounded monthly, so that's 12. And time is gonna be 22 years. So now we just gotta plug everything in. So A is equal to P1 plus R over N to the NT. So this would be 300, 1 plus 0.035 over 12 to the NT would be 12 times 22. I apologize if I'm going too fast. I'm just trying to keep the video short. If you need more time to write, I would just suggest pausing the video. Okay, and then this would be 300, 1 plus, I think when I did that, what did I get? We're on example 2. I got 0.00291667, and this is all to the 264 power now. And if you just want to plug all of this in at one time, that's fine. Just be careful how you plug it in, okay? So then 301 plus 0.00. Oh, let's just, there we go. So when you plug this all in, you should get 2.15734,708. And then when you multiply these two things together, you get around $647.20. There you go. That's how much money you made. It's a moolah. Okay, and then let's look at decay. So exponential decay, so just the opposite. So decay is going down, right? So the only thing different about this formula is that we have this minus sign right here. So just keep that in mind, the minus sign. Everything else is the same. So let's look at the example. So it says a fully inflated child's raft for a pool is losing 6.5% of its air every day. The raft originally contained 4,500 cubic inches of air. Write an equation to represent the loss of air. Okay, so I need to know starting amount, my rate, and looks like we're doing after every day. So I can write my equation as, just based off this, y equals, my initial amount was 4,500, and then 1 minus, what's my interest rate? 0.066, and this is to the t power, or you could write it as y equals 4,500. 1 minus 0.066 is going to give you 0.934 to the t power. So either one of these. I'm going to use this one. So then estimate the amount of air after 7 days. Well, y equals 4,500. 0.934. I just got to plug in 7 for the 7. And when you plug that in, you get around 2,790.23 cubic inches of air. That's your answer. All right, and the last one says the population of Manatee County has been decreasing at an average rate of about 0.3% per year. In 2012, its population was 333,845 people. Write an equation to represent the population since 2012 if the trend continues. Predict the population for 2022. All right, so here's my rate. Here's my starting amount, and then let's see if we can write something. So y equals, I'm going to put my starting amount, one minus, what's my interest rate? It's right here. Convert this to a decimal, you get 0.003. So this is 0.003. And then to the t power, we're doing number of years, okay? So it wants us to, it started the population since 2012. If the trend continues, predict 2022. So what's the difference between 2022 and 2012? Well, 10 years. So t equals 10. Let's plug that in. This would be 0.997 to the 10th power. And when you plug that in, you should get something like this. So that is how many people in Manatee County at year 2022. All right. So these are just some examples for you when you do your work. If you need help, please message me, and we can meet one-on-one and I can explain it a little better. All right. You guys have a good one.